you have really great experience and you just started your English journey at that age. Actually, people also think now my age is completely to be, bed writer, to be taking rest, to enjoying my life with my grandson, granddaughter, with my friends. Okay, but you just prefer utilize your time at the learning process to do something in your life. You are actually biggest missile for everyone. So question is that when you just started your English journey at the time, somehow you also you also had lost your confidence to speak in English when you were not able to consume this language, when you were not able to speak very properly. Right now you're really amazing, but I'm talking about in a beginning of time.
Yes, certainly. At the time of learning, at the starting time, we will have that nervousness and we will lose our confidence. Then, if we should not go back, we have to talk. Without talking, we are not going to get courage. So, talking is most important. We will certainly we will have fear and even shyness also, and it is called butterfly in our stomach. We will feel that feeling also, butterfly in the stomach. That also we will feel. Even then, we have to start. At early stages, we will have these difficulties. This we can overcome only by talking. So when we talk more, these problems will be decreasing naturally, automatically, unknowingly. All these difficulties will come down. This is the only one remedy to solve this problem.
Okay, so could you please tell me if for the beginners, these questions for the beginners, if beginner will think and actually they don't want to do that, but still they are losing the confidence. So what kind of magical tricks you would like to share with them that how to boost the confidence?
Okay, confidence. If we want to boost the confidence, we have to do some other exercises like we can watch YouTube videos, we can watch English videos, English movies with subtitle, and we can read newspapers also. When we read newspaper, we will get some vocabulary, and we will, when we collect some vocabulary, our confidence level will be boosting. So reading textbooks also will help us. And if possible, we can buy a small grammar book. Do not buy a huge grammar book. Just buy a small grammar book and go through that grammar book, and we can understand what is English grammar. When we understand English grammar, again, it will help us to boost our confidence. So these are the small measures. And nowadays, the importance of social media is there. And majority of us are using smartphone. In smartphone, several applications are available. We can download several applications from Play Store. For example, we will get a good dictionary, and for pronunciation applications are there. For increasing our vocabulary, there are applications, and for sentence making, there are applications. And even after developing our fluency, if you want to speak like a British or American person, for that also applications are available in Play Store. We have to download such applications and we have to use it. It will boost our confidence level. Okay.
That's really great. And we also can say that if someone want to boost the confidence, that person also can watch some videos, relate English videos, and which is should relate about the motivations. Am I right, sir?
Certainly, certainly. motivation videos are there, it will also help us, no doubt. What you said is 100% right.
Okay, that's really great. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And sir, I would like to continue our topic. The topic, please, would you give me suddenly a topic?
Yes, sir.
I would like to continue a topic with you, and after that, I will give you a topic. The topic will be continue only 2 or 3 minutes, and I wanna see your, suddenly topic, how to continue that topic.
Yeah.
Would you like to continue that things?
Yes, no doubt we can continue that. So should I give you first topic?
Firstly, you just give me
Okay, I will give a topic. The influence of social media among youngsters.
influence.
Influence of social media among youngsters.
Okay, that's really interesting topic. Okay, so I have 2 minutes. I just continue. I'm really so much inspired. Even I also influence on the social media. So how can I think about the youngsters? Of course, they are so much can influence on the social media because according to them, social media is really amazing, and I accepted these things. Actually, this is really amazing pack to learn anything, to learn skills, to know about the knowledge as well. If you want to make any kind of recipe, you also can go into the kitchen and you can make easily any recipes. Suppose my age is 18 years old, so I just relate, I just included to youth youngsters. And mama my mama in this situation, my mama is not at the home, and definitely I'm so much feeling starving. So what will I do? I cannot wait for my mom. Definitely I will search on anything on the YouTube channel or on the Google, and I will go into the kitchen. I will prefer to make any recipe. This is the stuff of social media. So definitely everyone influence on the social media. And I would like to include one thing. This someone has interest, someone has intention to learn something, to gain something, to do something. But on another hand, if we will talk about the if we will talk about some youngsters, they are also using in a bad way social media. So they also indirectly influence on the social media. But I would like to suggest to everyone, this is really great thing, and uh, this is made by really very great scientists. Please just try to use this application, use the social media only and only. Just try to have the purpose to learn only, to learn or to teach. If you just think that okay, I just search stupid things, I just search bad things, so definitely you gonna waste your time. Actually, you are dying your time. So don't kill your time. I have completed, sir.
Nice. Now what is next?
Of course, now I will give you topic and you will have to continue.
Yes, yes.
So topic is pen. You will have to speak continuously 2 minutes on the pen.
So it is very easy to talk about pen because nowadays I do not use pen. Instead of that, I use a smartphone. In smartphone, we can write even without using our fingers. Do you know how to write without using our fingers? Do you know that?
Definitely.
How? Please explain. How is it?
If we will use the fingers, so definitely we can write by the fingers on the phone.
Nothing. Nowadays, my subject is pen. This is pen. This is kalam. I know that this kalam is used for writing. Okay. We can write many things. Right from our childhood, we were using this kalam. When we were in school and when we were in college, we used to write this kalam. And I have worked 35 years in a bank. There also I have used this kalam or pen. But nowadays I do not use pen. Instead of that, I use smartphone only. In this smartphone, there are several applications. We need not touch our fingers. We need not use keyboard. Instead of using keyboard, we can just talk to the mobile phone and that will type. On behalf of us, this smartphone will type everything. And this will type more than 100 languages, including my mother tongue is Malayalam. That also is typed in smartphone, and English, Hindi, several other languages are written in the on the screen of the mobile with this application. So what happened? The use of this column has reduced. Nowadays, I do not use this column. So with this, I conclude this topic. Okay. Did you get the point?
Of course, I have gotten I have gotten the point, and but still I have questions. Actually, I didn't clear the in the last. What do you want to say about the pen? Like I just got that because of social media, because of phone, so pen is not using too much. Okay, because we also can search any kind of thing, and we will we can message to anyone without pen by the finger. We also can use the finger, and of course we also can type the messages, and of course we also can write everything without the pen. But I didn't catch in the last, what do you want to say?
Last I said this pen, nowadays I do not use pen. Instead of using pen, I use smartphone.
Oh, now got that. You're
Yes.
really very smart, sir. Really smart. Thank you so much. Thank you. So actually, I would say that if I would ask that about your wife, so she's also with you.
Yes, yes. She was working with BSNL. She got retired.
Wow.
In fact, she has taken VRS. 2 years back, they got a VRS option and she took VRS option. And now she is at home and she is doing a small business also.
Which business she's doing?
She is selling vegetables, cut vegetables. Cut vegetables means she used to buy vegetables from the market, and she has got 2 or 3 helpers. With these helpers will cut all these vegetables into small pieces, and they will uh,
Fact.
pack it in plastic covers, and they will distribute these plastic covers into different flats and houses. This is the
Wow.
business.
You both, husband and wife, you both are really, really, seriously, really very smart. And really, I would say that seriously, if you want to live your life, if you want to see what is a life of enjoyment, what is a learning process, and don't be think that your age is 60 or 70 or 50. Just try to think and just try to see to Josh family. Mr. Josh Mohan sir, he's also really really doing great job, and he's also learning this language, and he's really very great American. Even I cannot say that he's only and only doing only himself. His wife also so much smarter. And so, sir, actually, when you just started your English journey, now you are completely to speak in English very confidently. So definitely, I can say that your wife's so much happy with you, and your wife's really so much proud on you. Am I right, sir?
But she is not at all interested in English. She is
Um,
always interested in her business only. But
yeah,
she's
of course.
English because she
Uh,
was working with BSNL. Already she can speak good English.
but
Okay.
yeah, of course, I am agree. But I'm just saying, I'm just asking to you that she's so much admired to you. That oh my dear husband, you can speak in English, and I really so much proud on you. She also saying these things to you.
Yes, yes. Okay. She will tell
Wow.
us.
Wow, that's really amazing. And thank you so much, so sir. We will
Thank
meet so soon. And this is really, really actually magical fact for my all students, for my beginners. And when they also watch you on by this recording, by this video, and think, they also can think of is Mr. Josh Mon, sir, and his age is 65, and he also can start his language, his journey in this language, and definitely we also gonna try. So definitely this is really really inspirations. This is the really very inspiration story, and you are actually one of the inspirations for all one. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, actually, I want to know that I'm just recording this conversation. Shall I upload this video on my YouTube platform if you will allow me?
Yes, certainly, certainly you can.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And
Thank
have
you.
a